Welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today we're going to use the Ooni Pro to cook with. I haven't used this in a while since I've bought the coder and I can't wait. Got to make sure I keep my skills in because I might forget how to use it. So I've just put some kindling in and it's all looking good. So I'm going to add some logs into here now and get this fire going. Right, so my gloves, I've got my gloves. Can I do this without them for the minute? Oh, just got bombed by a bee. Looks okay. I've just put the log in and the oven's going to hit about 250. That's always about the time when I stick my log in. That's not good for cooking. It's extremely hot and there's absolutely no flame and it's too hot in the middle. So I need to put on some wood at the back to get the flame back. So I got the flame back and I've got my peel here, but unfortunately I can never use this with the Pro. It's absolutely too short. I'd burn my hand off. So I'm going back to my trusted £11 peel from Amazon. That's the one I'm going to keep using in the Pro. So I'm just going to check the base temperature of this oven. The stone temperature is 400 and 90 is 500 in the middle. So I'm going to have to wait for this to cool down a second because otherwise I am going to actually really burn my pizza up at that temperature. That's just too high. That lovely flame as we're waiting for it to cool down. It's a bit breezy today, but doesn't really affect the cook when I'm using wood, not like the gas. I mean, you can see the flame moving around in the back there, but it's quite insignificant. It's probably breezier than the day I used the gas when the gas went out, so I think that having wood is good if you live in a breezier place. Especially with this oven anyway, it sort of just takes it well. It's going down very slowly. So let's just get this temperature down. I'm just going to wait like a minute more by the time, and this is the thing with wood, by the time I wait for my oven temperature to go on, my flame will have gone out. It's been there for 6 minutes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is it's about 450 sort of there, which isn't in the middle, it's sort of towards me. If I can get my pizza just there, and because I'm worried my flame's going to go out soon, so I'm just going to get this in now. And bring it near to the door. And then not put the door on, sorry. My family were cooking and they've made a mess. So that's 480 where that middle bit is there, so I think very high. I don't want it to burn it. I don't want like a black rim around the edge that I've been having in the Ooni. Oh, look at that. I'm going to lift this up a bit. And the coda. I think I'm going to do the door on. I'm just going to put the door on now because it's gone sufficiently low. Okay, so my phone just died on me because the temperature in the oven is too high, and it just went, oh my gosh, this is too high, I have to shut down. I've had to switch cameras, and I hope I haven't ruined my iPhone. I've had it for a very long time. I use an iPhone 7 Plus to film with, and now I'm using my Canon. Okay, let's get this out. Let me try that bit. Really got there in the end. So I put potatoes, onions, mushrooms, chorizo, and a very cooked base there. That was a fiery oven today. Going from the gas to the wood is a bit of a shock because the wood is so hot compared to the gas. I know that's a silly thing to say, but it is. It's a lot hotter. And so going from one to the other after not using the wood for a while, so I need to do a few more wood videos to keep my hand in on using wood.